This must be our guy with the disc. Put it on.
I think, maybe this isn't the right room.
Put it on. Now.
Are you sitting comfortably? Then we'll begin. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, lived Perky the Penguin. Hello, I'm Perky Penguin. Perky made ice castles for the evil king, Wally Walrus, a beastly tyrant who enslaved the penguins to do his bidding. No, no, no! But Polly loved Perky, and they met secretly at night. I love you, Polly! Oh, Perky, why is the world so cruel? Have no fear, Polly. I will put an end to Wally's reign of terror, and we will be together forever.
Never seen anything so beautiful in my whole life.